Hello everyone, I'm Peter, I'm with 27 Plumbing, and today I'm going to show you how to install a new shower wand, also known as a handheld shower. Now I do already have a video showing how to install a standard shower head. However, there are a couple of more steps with a shower wand like this one, and I thought it might be useful to some people to have a video specifically on how to do this style shower head. This is typically a DIY friendly job, so if you're looking to save a little bit of money but also make a nice upgrade to your shower, then I hope this helps out. There are only a few tools that you'll need for this job. The first one is a razor knife. You'll use this to pick out the old Teflon tape that's going to be stuck onto the shower arm. The second is Teflon tape. I like to use Mega Tape by Hercules. The color matches with the shower head, so if anything's a little bit left over where you can still see it, it does a nicer job blending in. It's also a better quality tape, so you don't have to wrap it around quite as many times. Any Teflon tape you have will do the trick though. If you use the cheaper white stuff, you may want to wrap it around a few more times than what I'm going to recommend. And lastly, I like to use smooth jaw pliers. You can get by with a crescent wrench if you prefer to save some money. Now this is assuming that the shower head in question is going to be a metallic nut. If you have a metallic nut, then you'll have flat spots to use a smooth jaw plier or crescent wrench. If you go with a cheaper head, it might have a plastic nut. If it has a plastic nut, you will want to use a pair of pliers. Keep in mind you will not want to overly tighten it down. Just go a little bit past hand tight, and you can expect to get a few scratch marks on that nut. Unfortunately, there's not many ways around it. I do recommend a higher quality product with a metal nut. First thing we're going to do is take our smooth jaw pliers or crescent wrench. We're going to grab onto the old head, and we're going to hold back on the shower arm while we rotate the head counterclockwise to carefully remove it. With the head removed, we're now going to use our knife to carefully pick away the Teflon tape that's stuck to the shower arm. With the old Teflon tape off, we're now going to take our new tape and we're going to wrap it clockwise around the threads of the shower arm. What I like to do is go about 3 times. You can go a little bit more if you prefer, just don't overdo it. On our final or extra turn, we're going to leave it overhanging, and I'll show you why we do that in a moment. It's a little trick to make cleanup a bit easier. So now that our Teflon tape has been installed, we're going to take our little adapter piece and we're going to carefully thread it on. We're going to start by going hand tight. Once we're at hand tight, we're going to take our tool and tighten it down. Make sure you hold back on the shower arm while you do this step. Once you have it tightened down, you should be able to freely rotate the adapter. So if it's not perfectly pointing straight up, that's okay. Tighten this down until it feels good and snug, and then you can rotate this into the orientation that you'd like it to be. From there, we're going to take our overhanging Teflon tape, and we're going to rotate it in reverse, counterclockwise. And you should find that it will peel most of the excess right off for you, making cleanup a breeze. Next, we're going to take our new shower head and take our hose. In some cases, you will want to thread a specific side of the hose onto the shower head. In this occasion, they're both symmetrical, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to take one and we're just going to hand tighten it. These are typically plastic connections, not necessarily anything to be alarmed by. It is just a hand tight connection and you're never going to really be putting pressure on these points. With that step done, we're going to come up here and with the other end of our hose, we're going to thread it on to the outlet of our adapter. Once again, just hand tight. Place your shower head in position. And there you have it. Our new shower wand is installed. This is the Speakman Neo featuring their AnyStream technology. It boasts 57 different streams. If you're in the market for a new shower wand, maybe something to consider. Everyone's shower head preferences are going to be different, so what one person likes, another may not, which is why when looking for a wand, I like to look for one with multiple different spray patterns. You're a lot more likely to find something that you're satisfied with. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. I'm Peter with 27 Plumbing. Have a great day.